Once I tried to walk my dreams and put my mind to only flesh and bone and overt physicality of schemes. But after a few steps, I fell down. All my muscles, sinews, nerves, and will were powerless to put me on my feet. I tried and tried and tried and tried, but still I found myself squarely on my seat. All my efforts, having all my sweat, which I had pre-invested, were futile. But I had learned that frustration and fret are never helpful, even for a while. Hence I started dreaming then and there, and bent to build my castles in the air.